Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher Jerick.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. So, how are you today, class?
We're fine, thank you. How about you?
Okay, I'm okay too. So, are you excited and ready to learn this day?
Yes, we are.
Okay, before we go on to our lesson, let's have first a game. Who wants to play a game?
Me!
Okay, thank you. So our game is very simple. I will divide you into two groups. Each group, and then I have here flashcards containing questions about simple addition and subtraction. All you need to do is to raise your right hand and give me the correct answer. The group that will have the correct answer will receive 1 point, and at the end of the activity, the group that will have the highest points will be the winner and will receive an additional points. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, this group is group 1 and this side is group 2. Okay,
Yay.
so let's start. Okay, question number 1 is okay, Reese.
30.
30, very good. 30 is correct. Group 1, 1 point. Okay, next.
Twenty.
20 is correct. Here. Next is correct. Group 2, wake up. Sorry, sir, I'm too sleepy. Child. Next.
7 times 2 for the 30. I 1 minus 7. 14 plus 51. Sir! 29!
Very good. Okay, to yung answer. Wake up, group 2. Next.
9, 18. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8. Taga natin chance. 24. 25!
Group 5.
I hate it!
Next.
Okay, 4, 7, 12, 16. Kuan? 19?
No.
Ay! Mali.
4 plus
4. Four. Ay, paglihok.
19. No.
Ano na nga?
19 man.
19 ba yun?
7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus
14.
5.
Ha?
4 plus 2, yeah, 4 plus
14.
3, 7. Di ba 7 plus 7? 19 man.
I already said 19.
19 man. Sorry, I'm wrong. Plus 1 point. Sorry, my fault.
You're so biased.
Next.
Di ba klaro? 5, 10. Kuan? 17.
Correct. Hey, okay, last 3.
Okay.
Manatalo tayo dito.
8, 16.
Next, last two.
2, 3, 6, 9, 12. 7.
Hey, last one.
Yes. Ay. 9, 16, 18.
45!
Very good. So, the winner is Group 1. So, let's clap our hands for Group 1. The Group 1 will receive an additional 10 points and the Group 2 will receive an additional 5 points.
Okay, at least
Okay.
we have 5 points.
Let's move on. Now, who can remember and tell me what was our last topic we discussed yesterday? Miss Sam? Oh, Sam?
It is all about identifying the nets of the space figures like cube, prism, cylinder, sphere, and using plane figures.
Very good. And what is geometric net again, class?
Is a second shape that can be folded to form a three-dimensional shape or solid, sir.
Thank you, Marian. And also, Marian?
Sir? Sorry. It also a net patterns made when the surface of a 3D figures is laid out flat, showing each face of the figure, sir.
Thank you, Sam. And like, what else?
Cube of rectangular prism.
That's all. Thank you. So, I think did you understand our lesson yesterday?
Yes, we are.
Okay, thank you. So, I'm thankful that you understand our lesson and that you are doing great. So, are you enjoying in our class today, class?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so let's have another game. Who wants to play another game?
Me!
Okay. Our game goes like this. So, regroup yourself according to your group a while ago. So, each group will select one representative. So, select one representative. The representative will come here in front and receive a piece of paper containing questions about logic. So, after the representative will receive the piece of paper, the representative will go back to the respective group and each of the member will help to answer the specific question. So, if the group got the answer, just shout hooray and give me the correct answer. So, the group that get the correct answer will receive 5 points, and the group that will has the highest points at the end of this activity will have an additional points. Okay, are you ready, class?
Yes, we are.
Okay, wait. So let's start, class. Representative, come here in front. Left. Ready, set, go.
There are 4 trees outside which gives external goods. The first tree is
Hooray!
Okay, group 1, what is your answer?
There are 4 birds, teacher.
Read first the question.
There are 4 trees outside each. Each tree has 2 more birds than the other. The first tree has 2 birds. The third tree has 6 birds, and the fourth has 8 birds. How many birds are there in the second tree? There are 4 birds, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Your answer is correct.
Yay!
Clap hands for group 1.
They're so genius.
Group 1 has 1 point.
They're so
5
smart.
points. 5 points. Next, representative. Time is last. Go.
Hooray, sir.
Great.
7 years old.
Read
sir.
first the question.
James is 1 year old in 2005. He is 3 years old in 2007, and he is 5 years old in 2009. How old he is in the year 2011? 7 years old, sir.
Very good. So let's clap our hands for group 2. Okay, last question. Representative, start.
Hooray!
What is your answer?
10 and 20, teacher.
Read first the question.
Brownie had given by his mom 5 pesos every day. He planned to save that money on the first day. He has 5 pesos on the third day and he has 15 pesos. How much money he has on the second and the fourth day? On the second day, he has 10 pesos and on the fourth day, he has 20 pesos, teacher.
Thank you. Group 1 has the correct answer. So that's 2 answers. So it is equivalent to 10 points. So the winner is Group 1. Okay, let's go on. Based on what we did a while ago, what did you observe in our activity class? Marian?
Sir, guessing the missing number, sir.
Thank you. And now, who can give a guess that what will be the topic we will discuss this morning? Race.
I think our lesson is about orders of numbers, teacher.
Thank you. How about Sam? What's your guess?
I think it's all about finding the missing numbers of the ordered number.
Thank you. So your answer is correct. So topic we'll discuss this morning is formulating the rule and finding the end term using different strategies such as looking for a pattern and guessing and checking. So before we go on to our lesson this morning, let's have first our rule in this class. So first, while I am talking here in front, what will you do?
Listen to you very well, teacher.
Very good. So in order to learn the topic, you will listen very carefully. So what else?
Sir, sit properly, sir.
Very good. And when you have questions and clarifications, what will you do?
Raise our hands, teacher.
Very good. I will let you talk when I call your name or you need to answer my questions. So let's start.
Okay.
So let's start, class. Earlier, our activity is about logic. Now, what do you think we come up with this activity?
Because our topic, sir, is all about formulating and finding the nth term.
Thank you. Because our topic, it has a connection to our topic. So lastly we go on to our lesson, let's have first know the important words that we're gonna use in this lesson, okay? So these are the important words that we're gonna use in this lesson. So the first is the nth term. Everybody read.
And a formula that
Nth term is go.
Nth term is a formula that enables you to find the next term in a sequence. The n stands for the term.
Next, sequence.
Sequence is a set of numbers written in a special order by the application of a definite rule.
Next,
Each numbers of a sequence is called term.
lastly, pattern.
Pattern is the arrangement of objects, shapes, letters, or numbers.
Okay, thank you. So our topic this morning is So, our topic this morning is
Formulating the rule in finding the nth term using different strategies.
our strategies that we're gonna use is looking for a pattern and guessing and checking. So, I have here a sequence of numbers. Wait. So I have here a sequence of containing numbers. So write the next 4 terms in the sequence and formulate the term. So here is the example number 1. What can you see in this class? It has 3.
5, 7, and 9.
Remember class, this set of number is what we call a sequence. What is it again?
A sequence.
Okay. Each number of the sequence, like 3, 5, 7, 9 is what we call
Sequence.
term.
Term.
Na each numbers of the sequence is called
Term.
term. In this sequence, what did you observe, class? Almari.
It is added by 2, teacher.
It's added by 2, so and it has a
Black.
4 missing terms. So to find these 4 missing terms, we're gonna use the strategy. What?
The
Looking for a pattern. So looking for a pattern. First strategy we're gonna use is looking for a pattern. So as Almari said, each term is added by 2. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. So our pattern here is
added by 2.
very good. So remember class that the number that we use in between the two term is what we call the common difference. What is it again?
Common difference.
Common difference. So now that we have the pattern, it is easier for us to fill in the next 4 missing terms. Now, who can answer the next 4 missing terms?
No, sir.
Thank you, Marian. So is it correct, right, class?
Yes, teacher.
Before that, we'll check this by using the nth term rule. So, in using nth term rule, we have the formula. So, our formula is common difference multiplied n. What is n again, class?
Term.
N stands for term. So, or term we want to check. And remember, class, that the sum of our formula should be exactly the same as the first term. So, what is our first term here in the sequence?
3.
3. So, and the common difference is
2.
2. So, 2 times the first term, which is 3. So, 1. So, 2 times 1.
2.
2. Now, 2 is equivalent to 3.
No, teacher.
What we're gonna do to make this 3?
Add
Add 1. So, we will add 1 to our formula. So, this is our formula. And so now that we have the rule, our rule is common difference. Common difference multiplied by term and add 1. What is our nth term rule, class?
Common difference multiplied by n and add by 1.
Now, we have the guessing. So, we'll check what is the term of 11?
5.
5, very good, Marian. So, 5. To check, we will use the nth term rule. So our nth term rule has a formula which is common difference. So 2 and what will check the term? 5. So 5 plus 1. So 2 times 5
10.
plus 1.
11.
11. So our fifth term is correct. Now who can check the sixth term? Almari. Using the formula and the Very good. So our sixth term is correct. Now that we have the nth term rule, it is easier for us to know even the 20th term. So we will to know even the 20th term, we will use this nth term rule. So for example, we will know the 20th term in this sequence. We'll just use the formula 2 times 20th term plus 1. So 2 times 20
40.
plus 1.
41.
So our 20th term is
41.
Is it understood, class?
Yes,
Next,
teacher.
another example. Make it hard. What is our set of numbers you see, class?
5, 10, 15.
And it has
3 missing terms.
terms. So, what we're gonna do first to find the 3 missing terms?
Find the common difference.
And look for a
Look
pattern.
for a pattern. So, as you look in this sequence, what is pattern used?
5.
Added by 5.
Each term is added by 5. So, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Now, who can fill in the next 3 missing term?
Me, sir.
Then, good. Thank you, Glenn. Is it correct, class?
Yes, teacher.
Now, we will check this by using the guessing and checking and by using the nth term rule. So, what is our formula in nth term rule again? Common difference multiplied by n.
And by
Now,
1.
it depends when the first term is equivalent to the sum of our formula. So, our formula is common difference is 5 times n. So, first we will get the first term. So, 5 times 1. 5 times 1.
5.
Is 5 is equivalent to the first term?
Yes, teacher.
So, we don't need to add 1.
1.
So, this is our formula now. So, our nth term rule is
5
5
times
5
10.
multiplied by n.
First term multiplied by n.
5 because 5 is our common difference. Multiplied
Common
by
difference multiplied by
n. That is our, what is our nth term rule again, class?
5 multiplied by n.
Now, to check this, we will use the formula. Who can check the third term? Almaring.
First honor.
Use the
Ano may first honor?
very good. So, our fourth term is 20. Very good. So, what if I say find the term 25th term? What will wanna do? 5 times
25.
25. Okay, 5 times 25.
125.
125.
Mga 125.
So our 25th term is
Mga balik mo.
125.
I am understood class. Am I understood class?
Yes,
So
teacher.
last we will have a word problem. Everybody read class.
Malik has 10 plants. Each plant has more leaves than the other. The first plant has 8 leaves. The second plant has 12 leaves. And the third plant has 16 leaves. How many leaves are there in the seventh plant?
So our sequence of number here is first
8.
8. The second term is
12.
the third term is
16.
16.
16.
So we will find the seventh term. So here, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and seventh term. What we're gonna do first, class?
Look for a pattern.
So what is the pattern used in this sequence?
3.
Added by 4.
Each term is added by
4.
So we have the pattern that each term is added by 4.
First honor ko.
So who can fill in the next 4 missing term? Grace, please.
Ito ang ikan.
Thank you, Race. So, therefore, our seventh term is
32.
now. First, we will check it first if it is correct. So, we will gonna use the
Enter.
term rule. So, the nth term rule has a formula. Our formula is common difference
Times N, which is stands for the term.
yes. So, common difference is 4 multiplied by n. So, we will first check the first term. So, 4 times 1. 4 times 1.
4.
This 4 is equivalent to our first term.
No.
So, what we will gonna do?
Add
4. So, add 4. So, our formula is
4. 4 times N added by 4.
our nth term rule is 4 multiplied
By N.
by n added by 4. What is our nth term rule again?
4 multiplied by N added by 4.
So we will check if our seventh term is correct. So we will use the formula. What is our common difference?
4
Times
7
which is 32 plus
4.
4.
So, 4 times 7.
32.
58.
28 plus 4.
32.
So, therefore, our 7th term is...
32.
Okay, class. Did you understand our lesson?
Yes, we are.
Thank you. So, what was our topic again all about?
Formulating the rule in finding the end term using different strategies.
Thank you. And how do we look for a pattern?
Find the common difference.
Yes. To find the pattern, we'll look for the common.
difference.
Do we need a formula in order to solve the specific problem? Almari?
Yes, sir, because if there is no formula, we cannot solve for the nth term.
Okay, so seems you understand. Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
So now that you understand our topic, let's have a short activity. So our activity is regroup yourselves according to your group a while ago, and each group will make a question. Like group 1 will make a question for group 2, and group 2 will make a question for group 1. I will give you 3 minutes to make a question, and after 3 minutes you exchange paper and answer for 3 minutes. So after you have the answer, one representative will come here in front and present their word. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So 3 minutes starts now. Don't answer it yet. I will give you time to exchange, and I will give you 3 minutes to answer. Just make a question. You're not listening. Just make a question. So last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute.
Bye.
1 is 2 times 1.
You done?
Yes, teacher.
So the first group that will present their answer is group 1. Read first the question and the answer. Diri. Here in front.
Their question is 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, and 6. Then missing number. They have 3 missing numbers.
2, 4, and 6, and 3 missing terms.
The answer is 8, 10, and 12.
8, 10, and 12. Are they correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the formula used, and what is the nth term rule?
The nth term rule is 2 multiplied by n. We get it by finding the common difference, which is 2.
Okay, go.
That's
So
it.
the formula is
2.
Common difference
multiplied by.
multiplied by n. Multiplied by n.
Good. So are the answer is correct?
Very
Yes.
good. Correct.
Okay, let's clap for hands for group 1. Group 2, present your work.
The numbers that is given are 3, 6, 9, and 12. And they have 3 missing terms. So the common difference is 3.
Common difference is 3. So what are the 3 missing
So
terms?
12 plus 3 equals 15.
15,
Plus 3 equals 18.
15,
And plus 3 equals 21.
21. Are the answer is correct?
Yes, teacher.
So, the formula used is,
3 times 3 equals 6. The common
don't laugh.
the common difference is multiplied by
By
10.
Good, so, common difference.
Yung mga chai type ng mga student. Dami na. Wala na yung student.
Is their answer is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Hey, let's clap our hands for everybody. So, since that you understand our topic, so get one whole sheet of paper and answer this question.
Sorry, sorry.
I will give you 10 minutes to answer this, and after 10 minutes you pass your paper. So, timer starts now. Last 7 minutes.
Not yet, sir.
We're not done yet, sir.
Last 5 minutes. Last 1 minute. Don't laugh. That's funny.
I'm done, sir.
Okay?
Good
Opens
job.
up.
I'm not done.
Opens up. Papers up. Okay, pass it. Thank you. So, I will check it later. So, before we go home, let's have first lastly, the assignment. Everybody read.
Get some small stones outside the house, and by using 3 stones as the common difference, make a sequence from 6 stones up to 30 stones. Take a picture of it and paste it in a long bond paper.
Understood? You'll pass it tomorrow.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So, let's go home now. Let's stand. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Teacher Jerick.
Thank you. Bye.
And mabuhay!